Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to find archive emails in Gmail. So in Gmail, archive emails are not deleted. They're just removed from your inbox and stored with your other email. So let's say we want to put this in the archive section. So hover over to that email and click on this R right here that says archive. Click on that. Now, if you want to see that on the left side, click on more. Then from here, look for all email and select that. So open all email. And as you can see, archive emails will appear here. So messages that are archived do not have the inbox label. Now, if you're using Android or iPhone, you can just open the Gmail app, then tap the three-line menu in the top left, then just tap all mail, and you can then browse or search for the archived email. You can also use the search bar at the top. So if you know something about the message, you can use the Gmail search. Now, to move an archive email back to the inbox, so open the email. So again, go to all mail, then hover over to the email that you want to unarchive. So open the email. So open the email then at the top. So click on this box right here with an arrow that says move to inbox. So click that, then go to your inbox, and you should see the email in here. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.